Hi everyone and welcome to Bad Car Symptoms. In this video we'll be talking about a bad radiator and the most common symptoms of this problem. The radiator is in charge of keeping the coolant temperature normal, and when it's faulty in some way it can even lead to engine damage. So stay tuned. Bad car symptoms. Engine overheating. The first and most obvious symptom of a bad radiator is engine overheating. How bad the overheating is depends on how clogged the radiator is. If it's partially clogged, the temperature gauge will show values a bit above normal, while if it's seriously clogged, the engine may overheat in a matter of minutes. No coolant flow. You can see the next telltale sign if you look inside the coolant bottle. Do this check when the engine is running and when the engine has reached working temperature. Be careful when doing this since the coolant is still hot. Take a look at the coolant flow that comes from the return hose. If there is no coolant coming from it, you may have a bad radiator problem. Uneven temperature of the coolant hoses. One more check you can do is to check the temperatures of the coolant hoses. Once more, be careful and do this only if you have safe access to both hoses on the radiator. If the radiator is bad or clogged, one hose will be warm or hot while the other will be cold. This is due to a lack of coolant circulation. The color of coolant. While you're checking the coolant, check the color of it also. The coolant should be clear and without any debris in it. If you notice any kind of particles like rust, tiny pieces of scrap or filth inside, then this might be caused by a clogged radiator. Radiator leaks. One more very common symptom of a bad radiator is the appearance of leaks. This happens mostly due to material fatigue or maybe due to some sort of physical damage. You'll easily notice this by the frequent loss of coolant and, in worst cases, puddles under the car or on the protective plastic undercover. In most cases, the first signs of trouble are overheating and the appearance of leaks. The most common cause of problems is material fatigue of the radiator, but also poor maintenance. Whatever of these symptoms you notice, react immediately, otherwise there may be serious engine damage. Usually there is enough time to notice this and react if you pay some attention. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe, it's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.